Welcome to Asure ID 7. I'm going to go through some of the basic features and functionality so you have an idea of what this software can do for you. So first off, we're here in the Card Design Center. The Card Design Center is designed to build your template for your card, so what the physical look of your card is going to be. So here I have my logo for NodAccess, Identification Solutions. Here I input a data field. The data field for the title, for my last name, first name, and for the photo. Now these photos are not, and the names are not appearing right now, but I'll show you why. The tabs up here, you can choose whether you want your card to be dual-sided, landscape, portrait, if you want to add a mag stripe, if you want to enable the smart chip option. The view tab is just how you want to view the card, how it appears on the screen, and the laser, I'm not going to get into it. Next up, we have the Data Entry Center. Here in the Data Entry Center is where we would put all the information that we want to appear on the card. So for instance, we had first name, last name, and title. For myself, Alex Lagath, and the title Consultant. And as you see, I go through the records, those change. We can add multiple records here. We can add a batch of records. We can delete them or even make it a void card. For photo options, we can capture a photo directly from a webcam. So if we have a badging station, we can capture the image of the person live, or we can take pictures and then load them up later on. Next up here in the Database tab, we can import a database or export a database. So if you have a CSV file or an Excel spreadsheet you'd like to import your employee records into, that's possible as well. Here again in the View tab, just how you want to view this page here. Personally, I like the table view. Some people like the record view. Entirely up to you. And in the advanced configuration, once again, we get into the laser engraving, which I won't talk about too much. Next up, we have the report section. The report section is just if you want to have a report, or you can print it out, generate a report on which cards you printed, what time you printed at them, what user printed out these cards, the record ID, etc. Beyond that, we have the iClass SE encoder. That's if you have an encoder in your Fargo printer, you can use that in conjunction with this software to program your cards. And then beyond that, again, laser engraver, which I won't talk about. If you have any questions regarding this software or you'd like a full demo of what this software can do, contact NodAccess today at 450-656-4837 or reach us toll-free at 1-877-711-4837.